LNG tanker struck VLCC tanker at Fujairah, heavy damages. LNG tanker ASEEM struck anchored VLCC tanker SNINYO OCEAN at around 2000 March 24 at Fujairah Anchorage, UAE, Gulf of Oman. SHINYO OCEAN suffered a huge portside hull height breach. ASEEM reportedly suffered severe boat damage. After collision, ASEEM was anchored. SHINYO OCEAN was relocated to other position. Both ships as of morning March 26 remain anchored in the same positions. According to track, ASEEM and ballast arrived at Fujairah Anchorage from India, probably for bunkering, because initially she was bound for Qatar. SHINYO OCEAN is anchored at Fujairah since March 16. LNG tanker ASEEM, IMO 9,377,547, GT 97,874, built 2009, flagged Malta, manager SCI India. Crude oil tanker SHINYO OCEAN, IMO 9,197,868, DWT 281,395, built 2001, flag HK, manager NAVIG8 VL8 POOL, EQUASIS.